What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to find your QR code that's tied to your Steam account or your login credentials from Steam using the Steam Guard protocol. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and assuming that you guys have your account set up for Steam and you have your Steam Guard enabled, you'll know that there's a built-in 2FA login authentication or protocol where you would need to authenticate a login on any device from your Steam using the Steam application or your email. And to do so, it's quite simple. We'd first need to enable Steam Guard, and to do so, you guys would want to make sure that your Steam client is open, like I have right here, and you would want to click on Steam, or the Steam option on the top left corner of the window. So it's this one right here. And when you click on it, there should be a drop-down menu with a bunch of different options to choose from. So from here, you'd want to click on Settings. So let's actually do that. And this new window should pop up. Now, the idea here is you guys would want to click on Security, because this is where you'll actually find Steam Guard. So I actually have this disabled because I think it's pretty finicky when I decide to log in Steam on a different device. So I actually have it disabled, but assuming that you guys want to have this enabled, you'd want to click on Manage Steam Guard, like so, and you'll be redirected to this new page where you get to configure the settings for your Steam Guard. So if you click on Get Steam Guard Codes from Steam app on my phone, what's going to happen is every time you log into your Steam account, your phone or your application will be pinged with a QR code that you need to scan to authorize the login. So if you read the description, it says, make the Steam mobile app on your smartphone a Steam Guard mobile authenticator. And this is the best level of account security. It's basically a 2FA, and it's going to be a QR code. So if you guys need to answer your question, that's where you'll find the QR code for your Steam. So the Steam app on your phone. So if you have it set to Steam Guard codes by email, which is the default setting, this is what I have too, then you'll be receiving those codes. It could either be a number combination or an encrypted code or a QR code on your email. So you'll find those on the browser or the mobile app for Steam on your phone. And that's basically all there is to it. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.